WheelLife, is this WheelLife? Basically, what's up is that I work out a lot and I forgot all my supplements in Curacao. And with a lot, I mean like 8 to 10 times a week. And I've been keeping it up, but I feel devastated, man. My personal trainer, Louis, is kicking my ass. But let's go inside and get some stuff so we can recover. Check out my gym in Holland. It's massive. I walk, it's leg up. The guys missed me 3 months ago. It's busting my ass here. Now I'm back in business. Just killed my back and biceps and belly after the steam bath. And then I got the trainer as well. It's a lot today. Fresh OJ. So we had a bomb ass day. As you can see, there's not much left of me. I'm gonna hit these supplements and take a little nap to recover, man. I'm busted. Peace.
Well, I don't know the answer to that. Imagine the following. We
Hit it.
see this all the time. And that's where the asymmetric, what's yours is ours, and what's mine is mine.
WheelLife, is this WheelLife?